Yo, what's good? Mr. Penastar here. Today I got some exciting news. Got a new tune by Overkill Will. Got me a new update. About to show you guys how to upload or install a new tune, custom tune I should say, for your charger. Got my DCX Diablosport i1000 Intune tuner. So have to plug this up, let it boot. So we gotta let it boot up. It's connected to the OBD port underneath the car. You can't really see it from here, but down there. So you let it boot up, do its thing. Alright, so it's done booting up. Now go ahead and we're gonna hit on tune vehicle. Got a little disclaimer. Of course, I agree, no problems. Alright, this screen we're gonna hit right vehicle. Wants me to turn the engine on. But don't turn the engine on, just put it on to the start engine. So I'm gonna go put it to run. All this stuff happens. Now verifying. Alright, next screen. So we're gonna select Diablo tuning. I'm going to go to custom tune. These are all the canned tunes on here. And as you can see, I got all my Overkill tunes, and then I have my 91 octane Hemi Fever tune. I'm gonna hit the arrow. Some more Overkill tunes. My most recent Overkill tune, the new one we're gonna be installing. It's at the bottom. I'm gonna click on that. Have this question here. I'm gonna go ahead and agree. Asks me if I want to modify the tune. I do not want to modify my newest tune. It's already been done for me, so I'm going to hit the X button. Asking me to install. I am going to agree. Now it's building the tune, and I gotta wait till it gets to 100% to go to the next step. Also, while you're waiting, you'll see little promptings on the screen. Lights will pop up. But you don't follow those instructions, just let the car do its thinking while it's uploading. Right now at 72%, 75%, so forth. Alright, wants me now to turn off the ignition key. Once you turn it off, then you hit the check mark. Wait for 10 seconds. Now I gotta turn it back on. Turn it back on to run. Hit the check mark again. Wait another 3 seconds. Now I gotta wait. It's writing the tune. Okay, now it's telling me to turn it off again. Turn you off. Back and forth, guys. A lot of back and forth. Gotta hit that check mark. Wait another 10 seconds. Alright, now I gotta turn it back on. It's fun. The things we do to tune our cars, right? Once it's turned on, hit the check mark. Wait a couple more seconds. Now it's almost, oh, gotta export the files. There you go. Once it's successfully done, you get this little prompting here saying everything is successfully installed. Hit continue. I can unplug the tuner now. I'm going to hit continue, and it's going to go back to the beginning of the screen. So yeah, I'm done. I can go ahead and cut the car off. And that is it. That is how you install a custom tune. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm out.